besties, it's blowing time. I'm trying to find a blow dryer that minimizes breakage and frizziness. So I got this Whaler hair dryer, and it comes with 2 different head attachments, and it's also magnetic. So you just slap it on just like this, and then you can just blow dry your hair. It has a diffuser attachment for the curly hair, just like that. Hair cleaning system built all right into it. It has different heating settings and also has a cooling system inside as well. This blow dryer blows your hair within 10 minutes, so if you're on the go, you just need to hurry up and get your hair blow dried. Just quickly go ahead and just pop this on, and it blow dries within 10 minutes.